Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do another Clover Finance CLV update. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. Thanks. So before I start the video today, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and on what I'm doing in the crypto space. So let's get right into it. The Clover Finance update. Since my last video, Clover Finance had a huge gain, like over 400% gain, but now it's correcting back down. So we're going to go through where I think the price is going to fall back down to, and where I think it's going to rebound from and continue going up. Clover Finance up here on CoinGecko, it's market cap of 630. Right now it's just over 7 cents. It's down 21%. You can see the 24-hour trailing range was from 7 cents to 9 cents. So big swings going on here with Clover Finance, very volatile. So you can see the market cap is, just under 72 million. All coins are in circulation. So again, just go through the data real quick. The all-time high is $1.88 back in August of 2021. That's right around when it was getting launched, right before it. All-time low was just back at the beginning of the month. Holy smokes. Even from there, that it's it's almost 300% up. Well, actually it's saying 200% up from this all-time low to the price right now. So anyway, it definitely did a correction on us. So we'll go right into the charts here, and you can see Clover Finance. You can see this is the daily wicks, about a year of data, a little less. So you can see back here in March when everything spiked, it was up to like 17 cents, and it touched it again. But this was crazy. This move was crazy. And look at all the volume there with the move, right? So this one move, I mean, look at these two wicks. You had this one wick. I mean, that's just nuts. This was in a day, this wick. In one day, it went up almost 300%. That was nuts. What a move. Of course, it's going to have to come back down and correct. You can see the next day it came back down. So I'm going to open this up a little bit, and you'll see here. So this is a Harami cross, I think is what they call it. This candle wick right here. When it's very little distance between the open and the close, and it has wicks up and down. Usually when we see something like that at the top, that's a trend reversal, which the next wick we saw was just down. Excuse me. And what I think is going to happen, this is the daily chart. I'm going to zoom in a little more here in a little bit. I really think, actually last night I was talking to Crypto Cody about this, and I was saying, I can see CLV going back down to the 7 cents range, and maybe even go down as low as 6 cents. So right now we're flirting with the 7 cent range right now. So if this holds, fantastic. If not, I could see it still going down to around the 6 cent range, or even a little lower. It could even go back down to 5 cents. But with the momentum this had and the market momentum, I have a feeling it's going to stop around between the 6 and 7 cents. This could be the low right here, but we're going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit. We're going to go to, let's look at the 8-hour candle wick. So each wick is 8 hours. And remind you, this is not like the stock market. Crypto is 24 hours a day. So here's the 8-hour candle wicks. And you can see this definitely looked like a bull flag. It's just how long and deep is this flag going to run? And looking at the 8-hour chart, it definitely looks like this is going to go back down to like the 6 cents range, maybe 6.25 cents, somewhere in there, unless for some reason this 7 cents can hold. But here it doesn't look like. One more wick and we find out, but I don't know if that's going to hold or not. To me, it really looks like we're going to go back down to 6 cents, and then from there we'll go zoom back out. Go back to the daily chart. I mean, that was such a huge jump. So you can see right now, draw a line here for you guys. Back on the daily chart, there was a lot of volume right in here. I mean, it stayed right on this like 7 cent mark for a long time, right? And then it went below it. And then we were below it for a long time. But now, the next couple days, the next day or two is going to be very interesting. Is this going to holds at 7 cents? To me, this is still a good price to buy CLV because the upside is so large. Or go back down to, the next one would be around 6 cents and then 5 cents. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that 7 cents holds, but again, I'm just holding. I have the amount of CLV that I want. I'm not looking to buy more. I have a nice bag of it, so I'm just holding on right now. I'm waiting for the ride. I've been a long-term holder of CLV. I didn't even sell any when it got up to here. I'm really waiting for, and I'll go ahead and put the five-year chart up. For me, I really think, this is on the weekly. We still have a nice weekly candle, and it still looks like in the long-term trend, we're moving up. So I was showing you shorter time frames, the daily, the 8-hour, and that's shorter time frames looks like it's trending down, but we still have a trend up with the long term, with the weekly candle wicks. For me, I'm holding my CLV until at least 35-40 cents. But the big thing is, if it hits that 35-40 cents, which is right here, once it hits this area, and if it can break above that, the next stop is like $1.20. So, I would consider, depending what the market's doing at the time, but I really feel like we're going to see a 40-50 cent CLV here, at least during this bull market. I think it's very possible that we could push back up to the $1.20, even push to its all-time high of $1.88. And then everybody's wondering, would the market support the $1.88? Well, let's see. We'll pull up the calculator and do some quick math, and we'll probably finish on this. So right now, we're just going to call it 72 million. Hold on. So we're say $1.88, right? We're going to do this first, and we're going to divide that by its current price of 0.0719. So that's a 26x. So, and we're going to multiply that number by its market cap of 72 million. So if Clover Finance can get back to its all-time high of $1.88, the market cap would be just under $2 billion. So that would put it in the top 100, because if we look at the total market cap right now, by market cap, we'll see right now. So if nothing changed and the market cap stayed the same, and it was 1.88 billion, so that would put it like number 64 on the market cap. So so that is possible, but I'm telling you, right now we can see we're not even near the peak of a bull market yet, right? And we're going to look at this. And right now, we have 104 cryptocurrencies that have a $1 billion market cap or more. I really think that peak of the bull market, that's going to be over 200 cryptocurrencies with $1 billion market cap or more. So could Clover Finance reach the top 200 if it hits its all-time high at a $1.9 billion market cap? I think it will. So definitely, Clover Finance is one of my favorite tokens. I have a nice bag of it, and I'm right now just holding on. So, but those people that want to trade this, swing trading, I would say between 6 and 7 cents for an entry point, and then it would double. You know, then you could see if you went in at like 6 cents and then it breaks out, but you got to see what more to it than that. Not really setting up for a trade. Actually, I'm going to finish with this. I keep saying I'm going to finish, but this CLV is so exciting. I love it. Yeah, we got to wait till this comes down more and then start turning around. So I would say wait and see what happens. Get confirmation that it's turning around. Right now, it's going to keep going down. We do have, like I said, some supports at 7, which it's at now. The next is at 6, and the next is at 5 cents. So we'll have to wait and see. But for those people that watched my last video and ended up getting on board and did a quick trade, you definitely had 100% or more gain. So I'm glad that you were able to make some money. We all love cryptocurrency, and just stay with it. So anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you could leave a comment, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, all of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.